Hi, my name is Goethe and today I will tell you about nail files, about URZO nail files. So let's start. Probably most important thing what I wanted to say is that each client has their own nail file. So we don't spread disease, we care about our customers and we care about our reputation. As you already saw in our experiment, bacteria starts to appear on the nail file just after 1 week. Be sure to watch this video, which can be found on our Instagram or Facebook page. So the first thing is abrasive, a custom made for us in Japan. Our abrasive doesn't tear the nail and doesn't fill up with the dust. And a lot of our clients, they are so sad that they have to throw away file after using, but remember, one client, one nail file. You just can't leave it for another client. URZO abrasive comes in 7 different grades. So it starts from 80 grits and it comes up to 280 grits. So you can choose whatever you like, whatever you use. So at the moment we've got 2 different options of files. One file is thin and another one is 1 millimeter thick. Now we are working on a third option, so follow us on Facebook or Instagram and be the first who knows our latest updates. Now I will tell you something about our AeroTitan base, which is very durable and twice as lightweight as a regular metal base. We have 6 different shapes and you can choose whatever you like or you can try something new for yourself. I've got 2 bases with the same shape, but one our AeroTitan base and another one I just bought it in just a regular shop. It's a metal base. This base is 0.8 millimeter thick and its weight is just only 10 grams. Can you imagine that? This one is 1 millimeter thick and it's 26 grams. 26. This one is almost 3 times heavier than our one. It seems like there is no big difference, but when you're nailing all day, you will definitely feel that difference. So one more thing our customers love, it is that you can make your own nail file. So I'll show you how it works. For example, I need 80 grit file and 150 grit file. So I'll take 80 grit file, taking the paper off, and I'm sticking it to the base. It's very easy. You can do it very quick. There you go, this side is ready. So from another side I need, for example, 150 grit file. So I'm taking this file, also taking paper off, and I'm putting this file to the base. So it's ready, so you can start working. For example, you don't need 2 files. You don't have to stick file on it. You can take a buffer, so you're taking paper off and you stick it to the base. So now you have a nail file what you can use for a client. One more thing what I almost forgot. So if you take a regular nail file and bend it a little like this, look what happened. It's not straight anymore, you can't use it really. And if you take our nail file and you do the same thing, nothing happened with it. Let's do a little experiment. So I left for weekends 2 nail files. So one is our AeroTitan base with the files on it, and another one is just a regular base from metal with files. So let's try to take the files off AeroTitan base. First thing what I wanted to say is that you have a special place on the base so you can easily remove file from it. So let's do it. it is clean. There is no glue, nothing. Let's do another side. So you take the file off. Perfect. So that's gonna be interesting. It was a regular manicure kit, so it was in one package. And what I wanted to say that the files, they are not the same size as a base, which is bad already. But we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about the glue, and it's gonna be a surprise for me as well now. Let's take it off. I'm taking off. Oh. Okay, let's pretend it never happened. Let's try from another side. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay, I can't even take it off. Well, you know what? I don't like it. I really don't like it. Okay, let's try. Really? It's just not how it should work. This is bad. This is very bad. How am I supposed to clean it right now? I don't know. And really, I don't have time for it. And well, let's try. Let's try. But definitely, it's not. See? See what happened? This is so annoying. And I don't know. This is bad. This is really bad. I'm just gonna leave it for better times. Okay, so that's probably it. That's what I wanted to say. Make your choice, make the right choice, and we'll see you later. Bye.